How can green logistics overcome limited sustainable fuel availability? Imagine a world where trucks, ships, and planes move goods without relying heavily on traditional fuels. That's the goal of green logistics, especially when sustainable fuel options are scarce. So, how can this industry adapt and keep moving forward? Let's explore some real strategies that make this possible. First, companies are turning to alternative fuels like biodiesel, which can cut carbon emissions by up to 90%. Biodiesel can often be used in existing engines without major modifications, making it a practical choice. Hydrogen fuel cells are also gaining ground because they produce zero emissions during operation. Liquefied natural gas and compressed natural gas are other options that emit less carbon compared to diesel or gasoline. Solar-based fuels are still developing but hold promise for future use. Next, operational improvements play a big role. Using advanced route planning software and artificial intelligence helps find the shortest and most fuel-efficient paths. This reduces unnecessary driving and idle time, saving fuel. Combining shipments into fewer trips, called load consolidation, also cuts down fuel use by maximizing vehicle capacity. These small changes add up to big savings when fuel supplies are limited. Upgrading vehicle fleets is another key step. Electric trucks and hybrid vehicles use less or no fossil fuels. Electric vehicles can run on renewable electricity, which is increasingly available from wind and solar farms. Hybrids mix electric and traditional power, lowering overall fuel consumption. These upgrades help reduce dependence on limited sustainable fuels and lower emissions overall. Warehousing practices also matter. Efficient warehouse layouts, recyclable packaging, and just-in-time inventory systems reduce energy use and waste. Less energy consumed in storage means less need for transportation fuels, easing pressure on fuel supplies. Finally, companies can use carbon offset programs like Book and Claim. This means purchasing verified emission reductions or sustainable fuel credits to balance out their carbon footprint. It allows businesses to meet sustainability goals even if they cannot access enough sustainable fuels directly. In summary, overcoming limited sustainable fuel availability involves using a mix of alternative fuels, smarter operations, cleaner vehicle choices, efficient warehousing, and offset programs. These steps help keep logistics moving while reducing environmental impact, even when sustainable fuels are hard to come by.